It's a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Consider the intelligence of four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, OnStar emergency SOS, driveline traction control, and electronic stability control. Add to that a powerful Chevrolet V8 engine, a multi-speaker stereo sound system with a CD player, keyless entry, power door locks with 2-stage unlock, and more. Take it to work, take it to play. This versatile Avalanche is equipped to meet all your needs. Take it for a test drive today.
We have a tremendous selection of new, GM certified, and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. Conveniently located just south of 9A on Philips Highway in Jacksonville, Florida.